Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Facebook or Meta pixel to your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Meta pixel to your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to connect your pixel so that we can retarget your customers in the future. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly dashboard, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Facebook pixel, up here on the top left, click on this downward arrow. Next, you want to choose the website that you want to add the pixel to. So I'll choose this one. Once you've chosen, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you're going to scroll down until you see this settings. Once you open that up, you want to click on this button here, tracking tool. Okay, once you've done that, you're going to scroll down until you see Meta Pixel, Facebook Pixel, and then you're going to go ahead and open it up. And here is where you can go ahead and connect your Meta Pixel. You're just going to paste it right in. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Facebook Meta Pixel to your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.